digital transformation, ensuring quality and safety on every construction site. Angelswing enables regular recording and visualization of the demolition process through drone-based 2D and 3D imagery.
This project involves the demolition of a 3-story reinforced concrete building. While the total duration is relatively short at about 60 days, from the start to the completion of the demolition, it covers everything from safety planning and progress rate management to verifying the site against cadastral maps post-demolition. It is a site that absolutely requires systematic work planning and documentation.
Previously, we calculated the volume of demolition waste mostly based on experience. We used to pile up waste on the ground, measure the height to estimate the volume, and then predict it to be roughly 15 cubic meters per dump truck. Since adopting Angelswing, we can check these volume calculations directly as data within the project, allowing for much more accurate and efficient management.
Demolition construction site in urban areas is particularly demanding. Environmental management, waste disposal, and vehicle routing plans for safety must all be drafted in detail and approved in advance. We plan to use Angelswing for vehicle routing as it allows us to run simulations directly over the actual site map.
Based on our internal schedule, we plan to systematically manage the progress rate while viewing the project and organize separate data for reporting and verification.
In demolition progress, cadastral surveying is especially crucial. By uploading cadastral maps to Angelswing, we can clearly identify demolition zones and verify land boundaries, which we will continue to use for further verification even after the demolition is complete.
From the very first step of demolition, Angelswing provides systematic support for site documentation, volume calculation, and management, all driven by precise flight planning and data analysis tailored for urban environments. Angelswing proved across more than 500 construction sites. And Angelswing has created the new standard for drone data and site communication, empowering professionals to focus on what matters most: planning and execution.